Our sprawling campus spreads over 625 acres, filled with trees, bushes, lakes, birds, portraying natural beauty at its best. Blessed with 31 lakes, this pristine beauty of the campus makes one forget all stress and helps regenerate the mind with new vigor. NIT Silchar Guest House is known for its hospitality and great food. Beautifully designed with red roofs, wall murals, and flowers adorning the garden, this place is a must-see in college. It also houses an air-conditioned auditorium for hosting college events, starting from students to parents to celebrity artists that come to perform here in college. This guest house accommodates everyone with warmth and love.
A mere place, but an emotion for all those who have ever been a part of this institute. A place so calm, it takes away all your worries, all your disappointments, and drowns you into an eternal state of love and tranquility. India's mother nature in her purest form, the road to mystery and the keeper of tens of thousands of secrets. Do spare yourself some time to visit this mesmerizing scenic beauty and experience serenity like never before.
The administrative building is the administrative hub of the college, encompassing the offices of the Dean Director and administrative heads. All official work relating to college and student welfare, examinations, scholarships, permissions get done here. This is a newly constructed structure and has now become the face of the NIT Silchar campus.
Sports and activities have always been one of the top priorities of NIT Silchar. So, to increase the overall enthusiasm among students for sports, this institute has been one of the top few NITs to have a world-class indoor sporting infrastructure. Situated right next to the beautiful Indy Lake, this sports complex has been specially designed for multiple sports activities like chess, volleyball, weightlifting, a wooden court arena for table tennis and badminton, separate courts for Kho-Kho and Kabaddi amongst others. In addition to these, there is also a multi-gym area here to take care of the overall health and fitness of the students.
The gallery is the heart and soul of the college. We make friends here, attend classes, bunk classes. From writing mid-sems to minors to end-sems, these multicolored benches, huge wooden decked walls and whiteboards and projector-facilitated classrooms is the place where every NITian spends most of their college life.
Are you also a sports enthusiast? Do you also take a great interest in cricket, football, hockey and other such games? Well, NIT Silchar has them all. Besides, there's also a hard court for playing basketball and a separate court for lawn tennis as well.
Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Learning Resource Center lies right at the heart of the NIT Silchar campus. Inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam in 2016, this magnificent four-storied piece of art, constructed with an investment as large as 44 crores in a carpet area of 90,000 square feet, is now Asia's largest digital library. The world-class library has solutions to every dilemma of concepts that our students might stumble upon, which makes it undoubtedly the most prized possession of this place.
In NIT Silchar, there are 9 boys hostels and 3 girls hostels. These hostels are where students that join college from different parts of the country come and live together as a family. Our hostels are well facilitated with mess facility, canteens, night canteens and laundry facility. We celebrate festivals like Holi, Diwali here together in these hostels. We have inter-hostel competitions, intra-hostel competitions, and we make our best memories here in these hostels with our hostel mates.